Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Antigravity, which is a free, powerful local IDE you can install on your laptop. And you can basically code apps and tools and websites and games using Google Antigravity. It's a really powerful tool. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it today, plus give you a 30-day plan and 100 prompts on exactly how to use it. You can install it from Antigravity Google, as you can see right here. And the other cool thing about this is you can actually use normally paid APIs for free. So you can use, for example, like Claude Sonnet, you can use Gemini Pro, and you can build stuff out for free using this free IDE with free APIs, and you can even plan or build your projects. On top of that, it actually has a computer use agent, like you can see right here, that can actually open up your websites, anything that you build using Antigravity, and I'm going to guide you through it and show you exactly how to use it today. So let's get straight into it. Here's what you're going to learn: how to install Antigravity in under 2 minutes, how to build your first app without writing a single line of code, the mission control feature that lets you run multiple AI agents at the same time, how to get AI to test your websites automatically. It literally clicks buttons, fills out forms for you, the exact prompts I use to build lead capture pages, client dashboards, and automation tools. And this works like even if you've never coded before, even if you weren't good at maths at school, even if you think tech is confusing, maybe you've tried AI tools before and got frustrated. I'm going to take you from complete beginner to confidently building apps, tools, websites, games, etc. in one session. Let's get straight into it. So we're going to be using the Goldie Gravity method, all right? The 4-step framework for AI app building without code. I call this the Goldie Gravity method because it's about letting AI do the heavy lifting whilst you stay focused on what matters, your business, right? This is the same way I approach Muay Thai, for example. I stay relaxed and let the technique do the work. We don't overthink it. Here's how it works, all right? So step number 1 is ground, right? You're going to set your foundation. So before you even touch it all, get crystal clear on what you want to build, right? Not I want to build an app. That's not a good place to start. Instead, what you want to think is like, I want a lead capture page that collects names and emails, shows a thank you page, and saves everything to a spreadsheet, right? That sort of thing. That's way better. It's like counting macros before you're eating. You need to know exactly what's going in before you can expect good results, right? And then what you're going to do after that is the rise. Now, this is step number 2. So you're going to let the agents plan. And the Gravity is different from everything else, right? So you tell the AI what you want. It creates a complete plan before it writes any code. You see the task list. You see the implementation plan. You can say no changes before anything happens. And it's like having a project manager who shows you the blueprint before building your house, right? Step number 3, or now you're going to sit back. The AI writes the code, creates files, installs what it needs to launch apps, opens the browser, and clicks through to test it. You're not coding, you're supervising. And, I have a team of 50 people in my SEO agency. I don't do every task yourself, right? You direct the work and review the results later. And then finally, the final step is verify. Trust, but check. Right? Antigravity creates artifacts, so screenshots, recordings, walkthroughs. So you can see exactly what the AI built. You can see it clicking through your app. You can see the test passing. This is how you build trust with AI. The same way I track every minute of my day, right? The date, the tasks, the minutes work. You verify the outputs. That's what you want to do, right? So we're going to get straight into this, and I'm going to show you an example of how you can build with this, right? I've actually got a 30-day plan if you really want to commit to learning and mastering this tool, but we're going to get straight into this now. So we were talking before about the first step of the process, the Goldie Gravity framework. So we're going to say create a simple landing page for an AI automation community called AI Profit Boardroom with a headline, 3 benefit bullets, and an email sign-up form. Use modern colors and clean design, right? And the way that we're going to do this is open up a new folder. So I'm going to replace what was previously in my project. We're going to click on new folder here. We're going to put AI Profit Boardroom website, right? Hit create like so, open that folder up. That's going to open up a new window. And then from here, we're actually going to switch to planning mode, right? Why are we going to use planning mode? The reason that we use planning mode is because we want to plan our project before we build it, right? And again, this applies to games, websites, apps, etc. So, if we just hit enter now, what that's going to do is start planning the project and building out a to-do list with Google Antigravity and talking to you, right? And if we go back through the steps, well, this is step number 1, right? Ground, set your foundation, get really clear on what you want. And then this is step number 2 as well, which is rise. So let the agents plan. Now, if you're stuck on like coming up with good ideas for this sort of stuff, let me show you how I can help you. So what I've actually done is for free inside the AI Success Lab today, which is a completely free community, connects you with 42,900 members like you see. If you go to the classroom here, and then you're going to go to January, you can see all the video notes from today, plus a 2-hour course on how to use Antigravity if you need more training. And if you go down to the bottom of the page, you'll see 100 Antigravity prompts for lead generation, for business dashboards, for productivity tools, for creative content tools, interactive and fun stuff, games and that sort of thing, client project management, right? Whatever you want to learn and build. If you have no inspiration, just start there and, you can start learning from there and copy and paste the prompts, right? So if we go back now, that's beginning to build out the implementation plan, as you can see. And if you're wondering what the implementation plan is, here we go, right? Just going to X off that. So let's dismiss this. And then you can see the implementation plan with the AI profit boarding landing page, right? Pretty nice. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to switch to fast, right? And I'm going to say, go ahead, right? And you can see at the top here that we've got the to-do list of all the tasks for our project. We have the implementation plan of how it's actually going to build out this website. So it's going to, for example, create index HTML, a style CSS, and then it's actually going to verify it with automated tests and manual verification, right? Basically, the AI agent is going to test it for us. We're going to click accept all on the right-hand side here, and we can review the changes and that sort of thing. But inside this section and the style CSS is basically going to start coding out the website, right? And again, I told you didn't need to code. You don't need to code. The AI agent does everything for you. Now, this is a simple project, but it gives you a feel for how simple, building anything with Antigravity can be. Now, if we actually go through after the 30-day plan, one thing that I actually want to show you, and this is super useful, is I'm going to show you some ways to sort of change your mindset, learn what you need to win with AI. Right? I'm going to break some of the old beliefs and replace them with new ones, because your beliefs determine your actions and your actions determine your results with this stuff, right? So whilst we're waiting for Google Antigravity to code over here, as you can see, it's actually going to open up index HTML in a second, as you can see. So this is the AI agent opening up Google Chrome and testing out the website itself. And, some people are going to say, well, I need to learn to code first. And the wrong story that some people tell themselves is like, once I learn Python, JavaScript, React, then I'll be able to build things. But the truth is, that's like saying you need to learn Mandarin before you can order Chinese food, right? I speak 5 languages, but I didn't learn Chinese before eating at restaurants, right? I pointed at the menu, used pictures, found ways to use it. It's the same with AI coding, right? The best AI developers that I know are already using AI to write most of their code. So why would you learn the old way, right? Also, some people, the new empowerment belief really is like, AI is my coding skill. I direct it, it builds, right? You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to be a director. Just like a film director doesn't operate the camera. They tell the camera what to shoot. Well, that's your new job, right? You tell the AI what to build, review the output, give feedback, ship, right? If we have a look, for example, here, it's now checking out the page on mobile as well, testing out the email form. And if we go back to Antigravity here, we've now built the full web page, as you can see, and it's talked about the key features implemented, the files created, and the whole page is ready to go. Boom, shakalaka. Now, if you want to open this up or host it somewhere, what you can actually do is you can navigate to a website like Netlify, and inside Netlify, you can actually host this stuff, right? You can host it directly online. And that's actually how we built the AI Profit Boarding website. We used a tool called Malice to build this out, but you can see how we built the page. This page was automated with AI. I don't code, as I've already said. And, if we go onto Google, for example, and we type in AI Profit Boarding, you can see that website ranking #1 for its keyword, right? So the page wasn't just automated with AI, it actually ranks on Google and everything else. All right, so let's try another one. We'll try something fun now. So what I'm actually going to do just for fun is we'll create a fun game. Let's see what we got. Maybe we can go with build a to-do list with gamification, points, levels, and achievements, or create a focus time with ambient sounds and break reminders. All right, let's go with this one, right? So we're going to go with create a typing speed test with sentences, WPM calculation, and accuracy scoring, right? So we're going to go to Antigravity again. Just to show you how simple this is, we're going to go to open folder, new folder, quiz, or typing test, for example, right? Hit enter, open that up. That's going to replace the existing project. So normally what you want to do is actually click on new window, but I just want to get straight to it. Again, we're going to switch to planning. I'm going to use Gemini Flash because it's the fastest, which is great for videos when I'm demonstrating how to use it. But I would say the best that you can use is probably Gemini 3 Pro or Claude Sonnet Thinking, right? Those are the 2 best ways to code. So we'll click on planning. That's going to start creating the game. It's going to plan out how it's going to build it, right? I'd always recommend doing the planning first because you get better outputs when it actually creates it. As you can see before, it actually worked perfectly when we did that. And yeah, that's basically how it goes. Now, some people are also going to say building apps takes too long. And the wrong story that some people tell themselves is even with AI, it's going to take weeks to build something useful. But the truth is, we built that landing page that is useful and can capture leads, as I've shown you today, in what, like 4 or 5 minutes? You can build a client dashboard in 12 minutes. You can build a habit tracker in 8 minutes. And these aren't toys. These are functional apps. So the only thing that takes your time is your clarity, right? If you know what you want, AI builds it faster. If you're vague, you get vague results. And it's the same principle as my business: impatient with inputs, patient with outputs. The clearer your prompt, the faster your app. So the new belief that's going to empower you really is thinking, right, speed comes from clarity, not coding skill, because your bottleneck isn't knowing what you want. If you get clear, you get fast. That's what we're talking about. All right. And, like the old way really was like learning to program for like months, installing complex development environments, debugging errors you don't understand, copying and pasting from Stack Overflow and hoping it works. Right. I remember those days. Hiring developers and waiting for delivery, getting frustrated when changes take weeks, giving up on building the tools you actually need, and staying with generic software that doesn't fit your business. That was the old way before Antigravity. The new way with Antigravity is like you describe what you want in plain English, you watch AI create a plan and show you before building, see the app in real time, AI tests it automatically and shows you proof, you make changes by just asking, build multiple things at the same time. You can open up multiple windows if you want to over there. You get exactly what you need for your business, and you go from idea to working app in minutes, not months. That is a new way, my friends. And that's what we're talking about today. So if we go back to Antigravity now, it's got the implementation plan, as you can see, and we've got the task over here. So we're going to click on proceed. And by proceeding, we can start building this out. Again, I need to just quickly switch that back to fast mode. As you can see, go ahead. And that's basically how it works. In the meantime, let's answer some of your questions. Let's see what we got here. Ernesto says, great, happy to help. It says, Antigravity works on Windows as well as Mac. Ooh, that's a good question. Let me double check here. Yeah, it does. Yeah, you can get it for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Scottsdale, Arizona treadmill team has arrived. Click the like button. Oh, it's good to see you here, man. Yo, yo, yo. I'm late to the party, but have you guys used it at all? Yeah, I mean, it can build anything. It can test anything as well. Eric says, I'm in the Netherlands. Thanks for sharing useful information. Happy New Year 2026 all. Happy New Year to you too. Eric, thanks so much for joining. Bree says, yes, Windows. This says, yes, I have Windows. And Blue Wheel says, yes, it does. All right, cool. So let's get back into this and we'll go back to Antigravity and seeing what it's built. All right, so if we go back to Antigravity here we go. And then we're going to click on confirm over here. And then we have Antigravity being tested, right? So this is the typing tool. This is the agent testing the typing tool. And so it can self-integrate, right? It can improve, and you can see typing flow, the name of the app that we've just automated, is counting the words per minute, it's counting the accuracy, it's counting the time, right? And so this actually works, which is pretty insane. And then it's testing it out, it's self-iterating. If it sees any bugs over here, it's going to fix them over here, right? And so it's got its own sort of Chrome that runs in the background, tests this stuff out whilst I'm working with you, right? And it says, right, I've completed the type and flow application. It's a high performance typing speed test with a premium dark mode aesthetic, featuring real-time WPM calculation, accuracy tracking, and smooth animations. So boom, there you go. That's how to do it. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to get all the video notes from today, feel free to get that inside the AI Success Lab. This is completely free, connects you with 42,900 members, very active community, as you can see right here. Also, if we go to the classroom and then we go to January 2026, you can see all the video notes. I've included an extra 2-hour training on how to learn Antigravity. I've given you all the resources with clickable links to everything. And I've also broken down, as we've talked about today, the Goldie gravity method. We've talked about the 30-day plan, and you've got copy and pastable prompts so you can really master this stuff if you're dedicated to learning it. You've also got a breakdown of the old way and the new way, the new empowering beliefs that will help you win with AI based on Antigravity. And also what I'm showing you here is we've got 100 anti-gravity prompts. I think there's actually 110, as you can see, but there's over 100 there, which is there to help you. All right. Now, if you haven't already, check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is an amazing community where I connect with the members. You can DM me. I get DMs every single day from members, and I'm always happy and grateful to work with the community members. You can see we've got a daily accountability group. So if you're stuck with accountability, you can learn from there. If you struggle with overwhelm, maybe there's too much noise out there about AI, maybe you struggle with focus, shiny object syndrome, or overwhelm, which I see all the time with people in the AI industry. What I actually do is I break down every 7 days with a weekly update, the only AI update you need, right? You can switch off all your notifications. You don't need to worry about anything. I condense 80 hours of my weekly work into a 5-minute update so that you can learn AI, right? And basically inside the community here, we break that down every week. You basically get a breakdown of what's worth your time, what's not, and that just solves the problem, right? So you've got daily accountability groups, you've got weekly action updates that save you a lot of time and avoid overwhelm. You've got a community where you can ask questions and get help and support whenever you need it. And, this is super active, by the way. Like, for example, you can see when people post to get help, get support whenever they need it. So, for example, Sebastian asked about AI website link building, and you can see here 17 people got back to him, right? You can also see inside the classroom, we have all my best playbooks. So, for example, if you want to learn this stuff, you can go from complete beginner to expert in just 5 weeks. Plus, we have a lesson on how to build your first AI agent in under 5 minutes. If you want to know how I create the scripts, the AI avatar clones of me, how I automate videos, etc. We've got all the training inside this section with step-by-step tutorials and videos. And also you can learn, for example, my best NA10 templates, how to get clients for your agency. We have 4 coaching calls per week inside the calendar. And if you miss any of them, you can watch back the coaching call recordings inside this section. And then also, if you want to learn, for example, AI SEO, how to rank #1 inside Google and AI search engines, you get my best AI SEO automations here. And if you want to learn, for example, how to grow a YouTube channel in 6 weeks, then I break down my process right there and what works for me. So feel free to get that link in the description to the AI Profit Boardroom. Jimin, I know you've asked, is the AI Profit Boardroom a subscription community? Right. And then if you want to get the video notes and everything like that, you can get it for free inside the AI Success Lab. Right. So if you go to the AI Success Lab, this is completely free. Right. And it comes with, again, 42,900 members. You get all of these free trainings, so you can see, for example, some free trainings here, all my January automations, so all the latest stuff that's come out this month, and all the video notes. Plus, you can post inside the community there, as you can see. So yeah, you get all of that for free, which is pretty insane. It's better than most people's paid stuff, honestly. So yeah, hope that helps you. Jesse Cunningham, legend, good to see you here, mate. Hope you're doing well. Hope the school's going well as well. Good to see you. Thanks for commenting. Blue Whale says, how do we ship these products? So, it's just a case of like marketing, right? Like you create something that people are ready to buy. And then if people are ready to buy it, then you sell it. Simple as that, right? You can use, for example, Stripe, or you can accept payments with PayPal, whatever you want there, right? Again, listing on Product Hunt is pretty good. Promoting it on Twitter. I have a lot of friends who run SaaS companies and they just promote it on Twitter, YouTube, and then, it's all about the marketing once you've actually created it.